How to find your wallet address on Binance. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your wallet address on Binance. I'll walk you through each step clearly, so even if you're a beginner, you won't have any issues. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. So first of all, Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and it allows users to buy, sell, and store a wide variety of digital assets. If you're looking to receive crypto into your Binance account, you'll need to know your wallet address. And here's how to find it. First, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. As you can see, I'm already logged in here. Next, head over to the top menu and click on Wallet, then select Spot from the drop-down. Once you're on the Spot page, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrency balances. Now, to find your wallet address, click on the yellow Deposit button next to the currency you're interested in. Here on the right, click on Deposit Crypto. Just make sure to switch it over to the Crypto tab. Here you'll see a search bar or drop-down menu that lets you choose which cryptocurrency you want to deposit. For example, if you want your Litecoin wallet address, simply type in Litecoin and select it. Once selected, Binance will display the wallet address for Litecoin. Just remember, only send Litecoin to this address, as sending any other coin could result in loss of funds. If you want the wallet address for Bitcoin instead, search for Bitcoin, select it, and you'll be shown a new address specifically for BTC. You can then copy the address by clicking the copy icon next to it. That's your unique deposit address for that cryptocurrency. And that's how you can easily find your wallet address for any cryptocurrency on Binance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple and useful crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.